Hello, dear students. Today I am going to teach you a poem. The name of the poem is The Fog. This poem is from class 4, English 1, lesson 13. The Fog is written by W.H. Davies. Before we go to the poem, let me give you a brief introduction about the poet. William Henry Davies, born on 3rd July 1871 and died on 26 September 1940. He was a Welsh poet. He was a writer of United Kingdom and United States. The principal themes in his work are the marvel of nature, observation about life's hardship and his own tramping adventures. He was one of the most popular poets at his time. Okay, my dear students, first of all, I am going to read the complete poem for you. Then I will give you the explanation of the poem stanza by stanza. Now listen the poem. The Fog. I saw the fog grow thick, which soon made blind my ken. It made tall men of boys and giants of tall men. It clasped my throat, I coughed. Nothing was in my head except two heavy eyes, like balls of burning lead. And when it grew so black that I could know no place, I lost all judgment then of distance and of space. The street lamps and the lights upon the halted cars could either be on earth or be the heavenly stars. A man passed by me close. I asked my way. He said, "Come, follow me, my friend." I followed where he led. He rapped the stones in front. "Trust me," he said, "and come." I followed like a child. A blind man led me home. Now, here is the explanation of each stanza. First stanza, I am reading, then giving the explanation. I saw the fog grow thick, which soon made blind my ken. It made tall men of boys and giants of tall men. Stanza 1, explanation. Listen. In this stanza, the poet talks about how the fog grew thicker by the minutes and soon it became impossible for him to see or understand anything. It completely blinded his senses and made him disoriented. As he looked around through the fog, he found that young boys appeared much taller, almost like men, and the tall men appeared like huge, like giants. Now, second stanza. It clasped my throat, I coughed. Nothing was in my head except two heavy eyes like balls of burning lead. In the second stanza, the fog slowly started having effect on him. He felt as if the fog was clutching onto his throat and choking him. He started coughing. His mind became empty and his eyes felt hot and heavy. The poet could clearly feel the heat in his eyes. Here he means the poet. Okay, children. Now listen the third stanza. And when it grew so black that I could know no place, I lost all judgment then of distance and of space. In the third stanza, as the fog grew thicker, it became darker around the poet. The poet at that point of time lost all of his power of judgment of space and distance. He was not able to decide whether he had to move or stand still. He also could not determine how much distance he had walked or how much more he had to walk. Now, fourth stanza. The street lamps and the lights upon the halted cars could either be on earth or be the heavenly stars. In the fourth stanza, you can see the street lamps and the lights of the cars around him started looking like heavenly light. He could not make out whether they were on the earth were actually stars in the sky. Next stanza I am reading, listen. A man passed by me close. I asked my way, he said, come. Follow me, my friend. I followed where he led. In the fifth stanza, we can see a man is passing by offered to help the poet reach home. When the poet asked the way, holding the man by his arm, the poet followed him blindly. Now, reaching the last stanza, he rapped the stones in front. Trust me, he said, and come. I followed like a child. A blind man led me home. In the last stanza, we can see on reaching house, the man rapped on its stone walls and asked the poet to follow him inside. The poet did what he was told. Once inside, he discovered that the man who had guided him safely was blind himself. Now, we move to the summary of the poem. Let's know the summary. The poet William Henry Davies described in his poem, The Fog, the effect of the fog on him. It blurred his vision and he was unable to see things clearly. He lost the sense of direction and space. Not knowing where to go, he felt there was nothing in his head except for two burning eyes. He couldn't breathe due to the thick fog, and he coughed. The street lamps falling on the moving car no more helped. People looked like distant stars. A man came who passed by the poet and offered him to show the way. The man led the poet home, and when they reached home, the poet came to know that the man was blind as he rapped the wall with the stick. Thank you.